Good morning, students. So now let us discuss electrostatics NCERT problems. First of all, let us discuss NCERT problems. Okay, students. This is the first problem. So what is the force between two small charge spheres having charges of 2 into 10 power minus 7 coulomb and 3 into 10 power minus 7 coulomb placed 30 centimeter apart in air? Okay. So this is the answer. That is, force between two spheres is 6 into 10 power minus 3 Newton. Okay, students. So let us start now. So please keep it one calculator, one logarithm book. Okay, students. Let us discuss NCERT problems. First one. So what is the force between two small charge spheres? Okay, this is the first one. Q1 equal to how much? That is the given data. 2 into 10 power minus 7 coulombs. Similarly, Q2 how much? 3 into 10 power minus 7 coulombs. Place distance how much? D is equal to how much? 30 centimeter. 30 centimeter or of course 0.3 meter or 3 into 10 power minus 1 meter. Of course it is convert. Distance D is equal to 0.3 meter, convert into 3 into 10 power minus 1. Whatever it, both are same values. Okay. So what is the force between two small spheres having charges like this? Q1 2 into 10 power minus 7, Q2 how much? 3 into 10 power minus 7 coulombs. Okay? Okay, students? Okay, like this. This is the Q1 value. How much? 2 into 10 power minus 7 coulomb. And also Q2 how much? 3 into 10 power minus 7 coulomb. Okay. So distance how much? That is 3 into 10 power minus 1. 3 into 10 power minus 1. Okay, meters. Okay, students. So then by using Coulomb's law, 1 F is equal 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by V square. By using Coulomb's law to solve the numerical problem 1. Numerical problem 1. Okay, students. F is equal, what is the value of 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught? That is the constant value. That is 9 into 10 power 9 into Q1 how much? 2 into 10 power minus 7. Q2 how much? 3 into 10 power minus 7 whole divided by, what is the value of D? 3 into 10 power minus 1. What is the value of D square? 3 into 10 power minus 1 whole square, that is 9 into 10 power minus 2. Okay, students, 9 get cancel. So then F is equal to how much? 3 into 2, 6 into, this is the minus 2. So take it into numerator. So minus 2, take it into numerator, that is plus 2. So minus 14, minus 7, minus 14, minus 14 plus 2, minus 12, minus 12 and plus 9, how much? Minus 12 and plus 9, 3, that is minus 3. This is the answer. 6 into 10 power minus 2 Newton is the final answer. See this is the answer. Okay, students. So this is the force between two like charges. These are like charges because both are positive charges. There exists a which force? Repulsive force. Like charges are repelled to each other. Unlike charges are attractive to each other. Already we know. Okay. Okay, students. Next one. Second problem. Okay. Okay, students. Next one. The electrostatic force on small spheres of charge 0.4 microcoulomb due to another small sphere of charge minus 0.8 microcoulomb. In A is 0.2 Newton. So dear students, in this case, two small spheres are there. The charges are 0.4 microcoulomb and minus 0.8 microcoulomb. The force between them is 0.2 Newton. Which force? Attractive force. Because of these are opposite kind of charges. Okay. First one, what is the distance between two spheres? We calculate distance between two spheres. First one. Then after, what is the force on second sphere due to first sphere? Okay. Then second one. First. Second one. Second problem, first bit. Okay. So the electrostatic force on small sphere of charges 0.4 microcoulomb. See dear students, in this case Q1, how much? 0.4 microcoulomb. And Q2 how much? Minus 0.8 microcoulomb. So force how much? 0.2 Newton. This is the given data. So we calculate distance between, we have to calculate distance between two spheres. See dear student, this is the sphere 1, this is the sphere 2. So Q1 how much? 0.4, of course. 0.4 is nothing but 4 into 10 power. Of course, micro means minus 6. It is convert minus 7. Similarly Q2 how much? 0.8 is nothing but it is converted into 8 into 10 power minus 7 coulombs. So we have to calculate distance between two spheres. Distance between two charged spheres. Okay. The force between them how much? 0.2. Okay students, again using Coulomb's law. Using Coulomb's law. F is equal 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by d square. That is 1 over 4 pi epsilon value how much? 9 into 10 to the power of 9 into Q1 how much? 4 into 10 power minus 7. Q2 how much? 8 into 10 power minus 7 whole divided by d square. So dear students, please remember it. Q2 value how much? Minus 0.8. So in this case, negative sign not required because of negative sign only the purpose of direction of force. Only the purpose of direction of force. So Q1 is the positive value, Q2 is the negative value. What is the nature of force between them? Attractive force. Attractive force because Q1 is positive, Q2 is negative. So okay students, next. What is the value of force? 0.2 Newton. That is equal to 9 into 4 into 8. See, 8 into, see dear students, minus 7, minus 14 plus 9, minus 15 divided by d square. Divided by d square. Okay. See, so dear, this is the 0.2. See dear students, this is nothing but 2 into 10 power minus 1. Just convert. 2 into 10 power minus 1. Okay. 2 into 10 power minus 1. Okay, 2 1s are 2 2s are. Okay students, on cross multiplication, d square how much? D square is equal to 9 into 8 into 2, 16 into, dear students, 10 power minus 1 on cross multiplication, 10 power minus 1, okay, 10 power minus 1, taking 10 power minus 1, taking into numerator, so that is plus 1, it is converted into plus 1, 10 power minus 5, how much? Minus 4. Okay, then d is equal square root of 9 into 16 into 10 power minus 4. Dear students, What is the value of root 9? 3. What is the value of root 16? 4. What is the value of 10 power minus 4? Root of 10 power minus 4 is nothing but 10 power minus 2. Because of 10 power minus 4, root of simply 10 power minus 2 whole square, like this. Cancel. So final one is 10 power minus 2. Okay. So D is equal to how much? 12 into 10 power minus 2 meter. This is the final answer. Or D is equal to 0.12 meter. Or 12 centimeter. Of course. What is the value of D? 0.12 meter or 12 centimeter or 12 into 10 power minus 2 meter. Of course, all answers are correct. Okay, students. So this is the second numerical problem. Okay, students. Okay. So this is the answer. R equal to distance between two spheres. How much? 0.12 meter. So 0.12 meter. The distance between two charged spheres. Okay. What is the nature of force between them? Which force? Attractive force. Because negative, this is the positive charge. This is the negative charge, this is the positive charge. Okay, students. Next, another one is there. What is the force on second sphere due to first sphere? What is the force on second sphere? Dear students, what is the force on second sphere due to first sphere? Same quantity of force will be acting because Coulomb's law obeys Newton's third law. Every action there is equal and opposite reaction. Okay. So, dear students, sphere A, due to sphere A, some quantity of force will be acting on sphere B. Sphere B, what is the force? 0.2 Newton. Same quantity of force will be acting on A due to B. Same force. Same force will be acting. So what is the force on second sphere due to first sphere? Force on second sphere due to first sphere is same. That is equal to how much? 0.2 Newton. 0.2 Newton. Same force will be acting. Okay, students. Next. So next, third problem. Check the ratio. So third one, dear students, check that the ratio K square divided by GME is dimensionless quantity. It is a dimensionless quantity. So check that the ratio K square by GME is the dimensionless quantity. This is the show that it is a dimensionless quantity. See, dear students, this is nothing but the ratio of Coulomb force to gravitational force. That is electrostatic force to gravitational force. Okay. See this. The ratio of gravitational force, that is electrostatic force to gravitational force. That is equal to, electrostatic force is nothing but K Q1 Q2 divided by D square. Q1 Q2 is nothing but E1 and E2, whatever it, all divided by gravitational force G M1 M2 by D square. So in this case this could cancel. Then final K Q1 Q2 is nothing but charges. So instead of Q1 Q2 I will take E and E, that is E square divided by M1 M2 into G. Okay, this is the given value. Okay, so the ratio signifies, this is the ratio of electrostatic force to gravitational force. Electrostatic force to gravitational. It is a dimensionless quantity. Why? Because of force SI in Newton. This is also force. SI unit Newton. Newton get cancelled. There is no SI unit. So there is no SI unit. There is no dimensional formula. There is no dimensional formula. See, check it, students. So K E square divided by G. See, dear students, K is the proportionality constant. E, charge of the electron or proton. G, universal gravitational constants. Me, mass of the electron. Mp, mass of the proton. These are all constants. Okay. So Me, Mp. Okay, students. So what is the SI unit of K? Newton meter square by Coulomb square into, what is the SI unit of charge? Coulomb. Square is there. Square whole divided by G, universal gravitational constant. What is the value, SI unit of universal gravitational constant? Newton meter square by kg square into, see, mass into mass, kg into kg square. See, dear students, kg square cancel out, Coulomb square also cancel out, Newton meter square also cancel out. So dimensional formula m power 0, l power 0, t power 0. It is a dimensionless quantity. And also similarly, see this, determine the value of this ratio. What is the value of this ratio? See, dear students, see, Ke square by G Mp, all are fundamental quantities. What is the value of K? So 9 into 10 to the power of 9 already we know. And E square, what is the value of E? Charge of the electron or proton? 10 power minus 19 whole square. See, this is the charge of the electron or the proton. 1.602 10 power minus 19 whole square divided by G. What is the value of G? Universal gravitational constant 6.67 into 10 to the power of minus 11 into mass of the electron. What is the value of mass of the electron, dear students? 9.1 10 power minus 31. And similarly, mass of the proton how much? 1.67 into 10 power minus 27. So dear students, by using calculator, solve this. Then final answer is 2.29 into 10 power 39. This is the final answer. There is no SI unit because of all units are cancelled. See this. No SI unit. Force by force. So this ratio indicates ratio of electrostatic force to gravitational force. Okay, students, see, on cross multiply, electrostatic force is equal to 2.29 into 10 to the power of 39 times that of gravitational force. See, electrostatic force is the stronger than that of gravitational force. So electrostatic force is 10 to the power of 39 times that of gravitational force. Gravitational force is a weakest force in nature. Okay, so this is the final answer, students. Okay, this is the final one. Fe is equal to 2.10 to the power of 39. 2.29 into 10 to the power of 39 into Fg. Fg means gravitational force. Fe means electrostatic force or Coulomb force. Whatever. Okay, students. So next, fourth problem, students. 4-point charges QA equal to 2 microcoulomb, QB equal to minus 5 microcoulomb, QC equal to 2 microcoulomb, QD equal to minus 5 microcoulomb are located at the corner of a square ABCD of side 10 centimeter. So next problem, fourth problem, students. So this is the fourth problem. See this. A, B, C, D. Of side how much? 10 centimeter. QA 2 microcoulomb. QB minus 5 microcoulomb. QC how much? 2 microcoulomb. And QD how much? QD minus 5 microcoulomb. Are located at the corner of a square ABCD of side 10 centimeter. What is the force on charge of 1 microcoulomb placed at the center of the square? Center. See, this is the center one. That is the center O. O will be the center of the square of side 10 centimeter. So, at what quantity of charge placed here? At O, 1 microcoulomb charge. 1 microcoulomb charge placed at O. Okay, students? Dear students? So, whenever 1 coulomb of charge placed at O, some quantity of force will be adjusted between them. Because of this is the 2 microcoulomb charge, this is the 1 microcoulomb charge. According to Coulomb's law, there exists a repulsive force between them. Because of this is positive, this is also positive. Okay, students? So, what is the distance between AO? What is the distance between O and A? And also, what is the distance between OB? And also, what is the distance between OC and OD? Both are equal. Both are equal. Okay. Okay. I will calculate the distance between AO, OB, OC, OD. So, then after, we calculate the force between QA and 1 microcoulomb charge. That is the force between 2 microcoulomb charge and 1 microcoulomb charge. Okay. So before that, we have calculated the distance OA or OB, OC, OD, whatever it. Okay. So this is the diagonal. Dear student, this is the diagonal. So formula diagonal is equal to root 2 into side of the square. Root 2 into side of the square. Root 2 into side of the square. Okay. So diagonal how much? AC is equal BD is equal root 2 into side of the square how much? 10 centimeter. That is 0.1 meter. 10 centimeter means 0.1 meter, students. This is diagonal. So in this diagonal, half of the value is OA or OD or OB, whatever it. So therefore, OA equal to OB equal to OC equal to OD equal to R. So I will take OA value R or OD value R, whatever it. R equal to how much? So half of the value of diagonal is nothing but OA. So root 2 into 0.1 divided by 2. This is the R value, fixed value. Okay. So then, according to Coulomb's law, there exists a repulsive force between them. This is 2 micro, this is 1 micro. There exists a repulsive force between them. Okay. Similarly, this is the 2 microcoulomb charge and 1 microcoulomb charge is placed at O. There exists a repulsive force between them, same force. Distance will be same, like this AO equal to OC. Distances are same, charges are also same, forces are also same, but in opposite. But in a opposite direction. See, the force between them, the force between 2 microcoulomb and 1 microcoulomb is like this. So that is nothing but F1. I will take F1. F1 is equal to, see, 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught 2 microcoulomb and 1 microcoulomb divided by d square is nothing but r square. What is the value of r? Like this. R square how much? So root 2 into 0.1 divided by 2 whole square. This is the value. See, dear students, same value. F2 also same. What is the direction? What is the direction of F1? What is the direction of F1? So basically it is not required. This is not required. Why? See, 2 microcoulomb and 1 microcoulomb charge separated by a small distance OA. What is the direction of force? A repulsive force. Some quantity of force will be acting on 1 microcoulomb charge. The direction of force radially outwards because of repulsion. Like this. Suppose some quantity of force acting on 2 microcoulomb charge due to 1 microcoulomb. Like that is the force radially outwards in this way. Like this, in this way. Similarly, 1 coulomb charge, because similarly 2 microcoulomb charge acting on 1 microcoulomb charge, the direction of force like this, in this way. This is F1. F1 is the force acting on 1 microcoulomb charge due to 2 microcoulomb charge. The direction of force along OC. Along OC. Similarly, because of charge at C, some quantity of force will be acting on 1 microcoulomb charge placed at O. The direction of force like this. F2, this is F2. I will take F2. F2 is equal to how much? 1 by 4 epsilon 2, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, 2 microcoulomb, that is Q1. Q2 how much? 1 microcoulomb divided by distance same, that is R. R value is constant, whole square. Like this, both are same. Direction how much? Along O to A. O to A. So, because these two are repelled to each other. Force on C, outwards. Force on 1 microcoulomb charge at O, outwards. Like this. So, these two are equal in magnitude, dear students. F1 equal to F2, equal in magnitude, opposite in direction. They are cancelled out. They are cancelled out. Net force will be 0. Net force F1 plus F2, net force will be 0 because both are in equal in magnitude, opposite in direction. They are cancelled. They are cancelled. They are cancelled. Similarly, see dear students, this is minus 5 microcoulomb. This is also minus 5 microcoulomb. Okay, placed at D and B respectively. Because of minus microcoulomb, some quantity of force will be acting on 1 microcoulomb charge. What is the direction of force? Because these two are attract to each other. This is negative, this is positive charge. Then attract to each other. See this, the direction of force towards O to D. Towards D. This is, I will take F3. This is F3. Similarly, some quantity of force will be acting on 1 microcoulomb charge due to minus 5. That is also attraction, like this. That is F4. F3 and F4 also same in magnitude, opposite in direction. They are also cancelled. For net force will be 0. Net force will be 0. F3 and F4 is also 0 both because of these two are equal in magnitude, opposite in direction. Then net force will be 0. So final net force acting on 1 microcoulomb charge placed at O is 0. This is simply 1 mark bit. F1, F2 not required. So this is a simplification or calculation not required, dear students. Direct. This is the 1 mark bit. Direct 1 mark bit. Force. Final force or net force acting on 1 microcoulomb charge placed at O due to all charges is 0. Due to all charges is 0. So that is the fourth problem. That is the fourth problem. Next. Okay students, directions are important. By using the directions to calculate the force. Okay. Okay, next one is very most important one. Fifth one, 5 marks problem. Students, very most important problem. Okay. 2-point charges. 2-point charges. QA equal to 3 microcoulomb and minus 3 microcoulomb. QB equal to minus 3 microcoulomb are located 20 centimeter apart in vacuum. First one, what is the electric field at the midpoint of line joining the two charges? See, so very most important students. Fifth one. Okay, see this. So this is the point A, this is the point B, this is the line joining the 2 points. At A, some charge is there, that is QA. How much? 3 microcoulomb. And at B, some charge is there, that is minus 3 microcoulomb. Separated by distance, what? Separated by distance of 20 centimeter, that is 0.2 meter. That is 0.2 meter. Separated by distance what? 0.2 meter. Okay. See, what will be the midpoint? So see, this is 0.1 meter. This is also 0.1 meter. Okay, students. 2-point charges QA equal to 3 microcoulomb and QB equal to minus 3 microcoulomb are located 20 centimeter. See this. That is 20 centimeter means 0.2 meter. Separated by distance, how much? 20 centimeter apart in vacuum. What is the electric field at the midpoint of line joining the two charges? So we have. So let us calculate the electric field. Let's go. Due to two charges. Okay, dear students. Because of charge at A, electric field will be produced at O. What is the electric fields? Let us calculate. Okay. So electric field at O due to charge at A. First one. Due to charge at A. So E1 is equal to 1 over formula epsilon naught QA divided by D square. What is the distance between them? Like this, OA square. This is the formula. Okay, students. What is the value of 1 over 4 epsilon naught? 9 into 10 to the power of 9 into. What is the value of QA? 3 micro minus 6 divided by OA square. What is the value of OA? 0.1. 0.1 is nothing but 1 into 10 power minus 1. So, dear students, see, OA is equal, OB is equal same, that is 0.1. See, 1 into, I will write 1 into 10 power minus 1 meter. Okay. So, OA value how much? 1 into 10 power minus 1 meter. Whole square, that is 10 power minus 2 meter. 10 power, so 1 into 10 power minus 2 whole square. 10 power minus 1 square is nothing but 10 power minus 2. Okay, students. Then, so 9 into 3 how much? 27 into minus 2. So, taking minus 2 in numerator from denominator. Okay, then minus 2 is nothing but plus 2. So, 9 plus 2, 11. 10 power 11 into 10 power minus 6, 10 power 5. 10 power 5 Newton per coulomb. So, therefore, E1 how much? 27 into 10 power 5 Newton per coulomb. Along direction is very most important, students. So, direction. So, this is the positive charge. Dear student, this is the positive charge. In case of positive charge, electric field, the direction of electric field radially outwards. So, this is the direction of electric field E1. That is E1. So, along OB. Okay. So, this is the E1. So, very most important. Next, similarly, next one. Electric field at O due to charge at B. See, E2 is equal. So I will take E2, electric field due to minus 3 coulomb. That is nothing but U2 is equal 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught. Okay. See, dear student, electric field at O due to the charge at B. U2 equal 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught QB by C D square. What is the value of D? Like this. OB square. OB square. See, 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught 9 into 10 to the power of 9 into QB value how much? 3 into 10 power minus 6 divided by OB, that is 10 power minus 1 whole square, 10 power minus 2. So dear students, negative sign purpose only the direction of electric field. So negative sign not considered in the equation. Okay. Then E2 is equal, dear student, 9 into 3, 27. Same, minus 2. Convert. Minus 2. 1 by 10 power minus 2 is nothing but 10 power plus 2. So, 10 power 9 into 10 power 2, 10 power 11. 10 power 11 and 10 power minus 6. How much? 10 power 5. See, Newton per coulomb along direction is very most along. Dear students, this is the negative charge. In case of negative charge, what is the direction of electric field? Inwards. Radially inwards. So, same. That is U2. This is U2. Okay, along OB. So, dear students, both directions are same. E1, E2, both are same directions along OB. Then they can be added. Suppose if two are opposite, they can be subtracted. But in this case, both are in same direction. So they can be added up. Okay, then net electric field at O. Net electric field at O is equal E1 plus E2. What is the value of E1? 27 into 10 power 5 plus 27 into 10 power 5. How much? 54 into 10 power 5 Newton per coulomb along direction. How much? Direction. See, both are along OB. Resultant also along OB. That is OB. See, this is the net electric field due to two charges at O. This is the net electric field at O. See, very most important, students. 5 marks problem, very most important. Fifth one is very most. See, another B. This is A. What is the electric field at the midpoint of line joining the two charges? This is the A. This is A, first one. Next B. B is there. If a negative discharge of magnitude, how much? 1.5 10 power minus 9 coulomb is placed at the point. Placed at the midpoint. What is the force? What is the force? See this. So in this case, we calculate the force, students. So okay, students, net electric how much? 54 into 10 power minus, 54 into 10 to the power of 5 Newton per coulomb. Please remember it. Okay. So resultant electric field direction what? Like this. This is the resultant electric field. So dear students, problem B, see this. This is the QA charge, this is the QB charge. So this is the midpoint, this is the direction of resultant electric field, net electric field, students. Okay, a negative charge Q is equal to minus 1.5 into 10 power minus 9 coulomb is minus 9 coulomb is placed at O. What is the force acting on 1 microcoulomb charge? Negative charge. This is the negative charge, students. Please remember it. So this is the net electric field direction. Okay. So force F is equal to E into Q. Already we know. This is the electrostatic force. F is equal to EQ. See, F is equal to, what is the value of E, students? What is the value of E? E is equal to how much? 54 into 10 to the power of 5 Newton per coulomb. See, 54 into 10 to the power of 5 into, what is the value of q? Like this, 1.5. 1.5 is nothing but 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is nothing but 1.5 into 10 power minus 9. So 2 ones are 2. 27s are. Okay. 20. 2 ones are. 2 twos are. Okay, 27. 27 sir. Okay. Okay, students. F is equal to how much? 27 into 3, 81 into 10 to the power of minus 9 plus 5. Minus 9 plus 5 minus 4. Minus 4 Newton minus 4 Newton. F is equal to 81 10 to the power minus 4 Newton along direction. See dear students, suppose it is positive charge. If it is positive, the direction of force is along the direction of field. But it is negative. Negative sign is there. In this case, the direction of force is opposite to the field. Opposite to the field. This is the direction of force. Because it is negative charge. Place at O. See dear students, this is the electric field. Place at this electric field at O. What is the direction of electric field? Along OB. Along the OB. Okay. If a negative test is placed at O, what is the direction of force acting on that charge? Like this, opposite direction. Because it is negative charge. Because it is negative charge. So along OA, along OA students, this is the very most important problem, 5 marks problem. See, it is already given in 2020 March examination. Okay. Okay students, the next one, 6th problem. See, 6th one. 6th problem. A system has two charges, QA and QB. Of course, 2.5 10 power minus 7 coulomb. QB value what? To minus 2.5 10 power minus 7 coulomb. Located at the points A, 0, 0, minus 15 centimeter. B, 0, 0, plus 50 centimeter respectively. What are the total charge and dipole moment of the system? See dear students, a system has two charges, QA and QB, located at the points. So dear students, this is QA. Located at the point how much? 0, 0, how much? Minus 15. Minus 15 centimeter. Next, similarly QB. QB placed at point B, 0, 0, plus 15 centimeters. Dear student, this is X, this is Y, this is Z coordinates. This is X, this is Y, this is Z coordinates. Okay, X, Y, Z coordinates. So I will take a 3 coordinate system like this, like this. This is positive Z axis, this is X axis. This is Y axis. Okay. So this is the negative Z axis, students. This is the origin. That is the origin. Okay. See, charge QA placed at A. A. What is the position of A? See, Z axis, X axis, Y axis. So X axis 0, Y axis 0. There is a point does not exist at X and Y axis. So the point A existed only negative Z axis. This minus 15 means negative Z axis. This is the point A. This is the point A. So the charge, there is nothing but QA. This is the QA. What is the value of QA? How much? 2.5. 2.5 10 power minus 7 coulombs plus 2.5 students. So at what distance from the origin? 15 centimeter. This is 15 centimeter. Of course, negative. This is the negative region. Negative minus 15. Of course, these are negative region, students. Similarly, point B. This is the point B. At point B, charge QB is there. What is the charge? QB how much? QB how much? Minus 2.5 into 10 to the power of minus 7 coulombs. At what distance from the origin? Same, 15 centimeter. 15 centimeter, students. Same 15 centimeter. This is the OB 15 centimeter, OA also 15 centimeter. Okay. What is the total distance from A to B? 30 centimeter. Total distance AB. How much? AB how much? 30 centimeter. Okay. So dear students, these two are equal charges on opposite side. Two equal and opposite charges separated by a small distance is called electric dipole. Two equal and opposite charges separated by a small distance is called electric dipoles. Dear students, please remember it. This is the negative charge. This is the positive charge. This is the positive charge. Just first of all, we calculate total charge. Total charge. See, dear students, total charge on the dipole how much? 0. First one. Total charge. Total charge on the dipole. On the dipole. See, dear students, this is the dipole. Two equal and opposite charges. Okay. So this is the dipole. This is the negative charge. This is the positive charge. This is the dipole. Okay. So Q is equal to how much? Total charge Q1 plus minus of Q2. Both are equal in magnitude. They are cancelled out. That is equal to 0. Both are equal in magnitude, opposite in direction. Of course, opposite sign is there. Both are equal and opposite charges. Both are equal and opposite charges, not direction. So total charge on the dipole will be 0. Next B. B. Dipole moment of the system. Calculate the dipole moment. Dear student, dipole moment. Dipole moment means two equal and opposite charges. Dipole moment means the product of either of charge, and separation between the two charges. That is nothing but dipole moment. Students, dipole moment means product of either of charge and separation between the two charges. Separation between two charges how much? 30 centimeter is nothing but 0.3 meter is nothing but 3 into 10 power minus 1 meter. So charge how much? 2.5 into 10 power minus 7. Distance how much? 3 into 10 power minus 1. Then dipole moment how much? 2.5 into 3. 2.5 into 3. 7.5. 7.5 into 10 power minus 8. What is the SI unit? Coulometer. What is the direction of dipole moment, students? The direction of dipole moment conventionally from negative charge to positive charge. Already we know. Already discussed. The direction of dipole moment from negative charge to positive charge. That is dipole moment along B to A. Along BA. This is the third. This is the sixth numerical problem, students. Okay, students. This is the sixth one. Okay, students.